Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Thought we'd check out my Zero SCX24. I call it the Zero because it's got the Japanese warplane like graphics on it. I got the Little Guy Racing Trail King MTs. He's like, I got these when they first came out. Then it has the RC four-wheel drive wheels that I flipped to have a larger, or I should say a lower offset on the wheels so it'll stick out further. I want to go past the body. It does have the axle widening kit, the axle shaft widening kit from Hot Racing. So it sticks out pretty good. So I have got a lot of weight in front. Might as well go ahead and start the front axle. Weights in front, I'm not sure what the exact weight is, but then we have the TCX RC cover. It does have the overdrive gear set in the front axle worm gear. All the links are Treal. Have the Emax servo with Injora. What is that? Servo arm. I forget what you call it. All the shocks are Treal. I forget what the back ones are. But yeah, I got weight in the back also. Not too much, but a little bit. Then I think these are the 48 millimeter shocks. It does have the stock spring in there. I believe it's stock. It might be something else. This is a stretched wheelbase. It does have the Gladiator wheelbase. As far as that goes with all this stuff, it does have, it's 4-length in the front, so it has the Injora links on, upper links on the front. Everything inside is pretty much stock. It does have the Grizzly Works LCG chassis. Relocation for the battery and the receiver slash ESC. Got the Injora 6-6 turn motor, and it does sit kind of tall because on the back as it bottoms out on this guy right here. It bottoms out right here on that Grizzly AutoWorks LCG LCG, just relocation for, you know, the electronic stuff. It works very well. One thing I do want to change, I need to put limiting straps or rubber bands on the front and the rear. It does want to tip up pretty far when it's going down on descents and stuff. It holds pretty good in the front, but it still could use some limiting straps. Yeah, I don't know what else there is. Pretty much it on this build. It's your average build, but I like how it sits. I like the long wheelbase from the Gladiator. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by, checking out the channel. Hope you all have a great day, and God bless.